My name is Ran. Today I will tell you content creation and monetization. Like Design Land, many metaverse offer options to buy and sell digital items, including charter of outfits and digital objects. Metaverse platforms future the ability to own digital assets, but they have to be created by someone. Creators can include platform owners and participants looking to get more involved and potentially make money in the metaverse. Once created, you can list them for sale to other users in an online marketplace. Some platforms operate their own marketplace, while many also support generic NFT marketplace like OpenSea for renewable digital asset trading. If you do not consider yourself creative, you can still make money in the metaverse by buying and selling digital assets similar to the stock market. As if you can buy low and sell high, you could walk away with a profit. Digital artwork represented by NFTs are among the most popular ways to trade online assets. Some metaverses enable you to use and display artwork in NFTs on their platforms. Creating collections of NFTs such as bot, epic, and crypto funds earned a reputation for quickly intuition and sometimes decreasing in value in the metaverse. Axie Infinite Axes and are another example of an asset that you may be able to profit from buying or sell. Tip: cryptocurrency and NFT values can change quickly. Be careful to avoid scams and online. Consider investing what you can afford to lose. Should your plans with such metaverse assets not work out. Metaverse-based business. Most people think of business as being a place with a physical storefront, warehouse, or office, but companies can operate digital storefronts or office in the metaverse as well. Some major companies with a metaverse franchise include Nike, Land on Roblox, a Samsung store in Decentraland, and Gucci locations in Roblox and the Sandbox. If you run a business or want to create one, then opening a metaverse branch where you sell digital goods or even link to real world series like banking, as Japan Morgan has done with its own blockchain platforms. Platforms can operate unities to make money in the metaverse. potential risks and challenges